lecture program in the memory of their beloved ex-faculty members, and which includes some technical lecture programs also. So a couple of joint meetings between the GAVISU and Electrical Engineering Department faculty members were held. From there, the very apt name, that is Legends and Legacies lecture series, was conceptualized. I feel this is the most apt term to pay the respect and gratitude to the seniors by the juniors, be it between the current and ex-faculty members, or it be between the alumni and the current students of the department. So I really feel very proud to be here as the welcoming speaker of this program. Now about Professor Sen. Professor Sen was admitted in the Department of Electrical Engineering in the year 1944, and he was graduated in the year 1948. After that, in the year 1950, he was also associated with the department as a research fellow Government of India and was there in the department up to 1952. Leaving the department for some time, he again joined in the year 1956 as the faculty members. His tenure in the department as HOD was from 1965 to 77 and 81 to 86. In the year 86, he quitted the department for that time and he joined Jadavpur University as the then Vice Chancellor. He also has won the state assembly election in the year 1991 and 1996 and was made the power minister of the state for about 8 years. It is really a very important point to note that with his initiative, he has made our state as a power surplus state. Before that, the stakeholders were really suffering from the extensive load shedding in our childhood time. So it's a big contribution by Professor Sen to all the inhabitants of the state of West Bengal. So with these few words, it is my utmost belief that the legacy of such a legendary figure should remain in the hearts and minds of his colleagues, students, and whoever he has interacted with for a long time. So I should not extend my words very much. So I should wrap up with these few words that we should continue to maintain the legacy he has set to the minds of the associated personnel with this department and in a larger sense to this institute, so that we can do justice to our respect and do respect the eminent personalities of this great seat of learning. So let me wrap up again with a big thanks to all of you. So we are very eager to hear for many of the dignitaries today. So at the end, I should give a big thanks, and we should hear the rest of the dignitaries from now.
Thank you, madam, for such a great introduction. Now